guys, how's it going? Got another pretty cool horn to look at today. This is my hybrid K5H. This is a CSX horn. The way I got this horn actually was on a low manifold, and I had another CSX horn that was a high manifold, so I ended up swapping the bells over because I wanted a K5H. Now this horn, like I said, is a hybrid. It has a 1L two-piece, a 1, a 2, a straight 3, and a 5. Now that gives it a really interesting sound. I actually really love this horn. It's a really good sounding horn. It's my only H in the collection also. Out of all my horns, this is the only K5H I have. Now I do have the K7 HLA. It's a high mount manifold, but I have it modified. So this is my only true K5H. So anyway, this is a non-raised letter horn. The 1L is a two-piece. It's sandcast bell. The tag on this horn is a 42K tag. So about midways for the round tags. But anyway, hope you enjoy this one. It's a good sounding one. Here's the K5H Hybrid.